Hello everybody, today we are over here at Wright's Creek, just off the Choctawhatchee, out here in Caryville, Florida. It's a great day to be on the water and we're going to check it out and y'all can come along with us. We are out here at Wright's Blue Spring, which is off of Wright's Creek, here on just off the Choctawhatchee River, here in Holmes County. And it's a warm April day here. So it is a Sunday, as a matter of fact. And I'm not wearing my glasses, so I can't see what day it is. Today's date, Jake, you know? I believe it's the 12th. April the 12th, I think. Well, this little inlet here that we're on leads right on out into Wright's Creek. And it ain't rained here. We still under serious drought conditions. So the water's pretty low here. But it's also fairly clear for the area than what it normally would be. It's usually covered. Brought Ollie with me today, little boy. Hope he don't get eaten by no gators. Y'all always warning me about him coming out here on these creeks. I ain't never had a problem, but you never know. Ollie said we need to find some shade quick. He's hot. Lots of limbs in this area. It's probably 4 foot. It's probably 3 or 4 foot down from what it ordinarily would be. Yeah, I think that stuff over there is usually covered, got like a little bit of water on top. You can usually see them cypress stumps just sticking out of the water.
It's fairly shallow right here.
Yeah.
No log.
Well, that was a big old tree there. That tree fell right across them bridge pilings. Those are old bridge pilings where the old bridge used to be at. That's really weird that that tree fell across it like that. Really cool. There used to be some beavers that hung out up here.
See some fresh pine needles.
Where?
Right in the water. I don't know how they got here.
Oh, from right up there.
Now I was looking at a pine tree right next to it. Like an old cedar.
I'm talking about they cut them trees down. I probably think it floated down. Because there's some more right there. They're cleaning up the land over here on the right. Cutting some trees down. We got some shade. Finally some shade. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I think it's that road that runs down that we went down when we came in. I think there's a house there on one of them little side roads that's got another boat ramp. I don't think it's public. The bridge you see straight ahead is Highway 179, and if you take a right on that bridge as we're looking at it, it'll take you straight on out to Highway 90 in Caryville, Florida. Highway 90 is also known as the original Old Spanish Trail. So there's some history for you, so look that up and see what you find out. Pretty interesting. Pretty hard to believe that this whole area is in a major flood zone. The feds came in here and bought out all the residents from Caryville. So basically, if you live here now, basically you're on your own, because this place flooded because it's right next to the Choctawhatchee River. It flooded years ago, and it has flooded in the past as well. It is. It's covered in stuff on the windshield. Ain't in there, buddy. Ain't no motor on it. I don't know whose boat that is. Let's look at it. Come up on this boat here, just tied to this log that's fell over, tree that's fell over. Ain't got no motor on it. This belongs to somebody because it's strapped down to that tree. That strap about had it too. Here's a nice swimming hole over here on the Holmes Creek, just north of the 179 bridge. I guess it's still deep enough to swim in. Yeah, it's still got the rope swing here, hanging from the spruce, or the cypress tree, not spruce. We're having a good time today. Ollie's watching them, you see. Look at all them kiddos, all right, Ollie. They're having a good time, you see them? Y'all all right today?
You see it?
Huh?
Or you just kidding it?
Look at her, Ollie. They got a dog too. Look at that. Yeah, see the dog going over there? See him laying over there in the back?
Okay.
He's just chilling. Look how that tree's growing.
Yeah, that's a perfect baiting tree right there.
That's pretty right there to me. Stuff like that you see on the creek out here is just pretty to me.
That's a good set tree right there.
That big old burl or whatever you call that. Yeah, somebody's got a line tied to it.
They pay good money for that.
Yeah, they do. Oh, crap. That's a pretty tree, man. Look how huge it is. It's really big.
That's crazy that it grew like that.
It is really cool. Growing out and growing over the water.
That's like a perfect tree to just sit in.
It is. Must be a house back in there. I don't know. That stays there.
Trail right there.
That kayak, that canoe stays either on the bank or right in there. Every time I've ever come back here, ain't nobody ever messed with it, which is good.
I haven't tried it. I have to walk on this log and get up in the water.
Technically that little peninsula thing is like an island. It's out in the creek. I guess you could probably throw a tent up there on it.
Yeah, it's flat enough. Not my tent. My tent's big.
But I'm saying you could camp out on it. It's not on nobody's property for it, I can tell. There's a fishing pole up there too. Like a brown buster. I ain't been fishing in so long. They still make brown busters. I guess they do.
I think so. They still make ugly.
I'm showing my age.
Ugly sticks been around since my mom.
Yeah, I remember the ugly stick. I always thought that was a funny name. Is that a turtle shell up there? Up there on the bank, straight. Right up to where I'm going, where I'm headed. You see it straight ahead? I think that's a turtle shell.
Looks like a piece of ball.
No, right up here. That's a turtle shell. That's an empty turtle shell. You can see the lily pads blooming up there. Them pretty yellow, bright yellow blooms. They're pretty, ain't they? I always said he wasn't interested. He ain't interested in no lily pads. There's a little bitty turtle on that log. See if oh, darn it. I didn't show you in time. He dropped into the water. I don't know why they're only in this spot right here. Where?
Log. I thought it was dang hogs.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because they had little ears and everything. I thought I was looking at the rear.
Oh, yeah. Lots of lily pads. Well, I take it back. There's a few more up in front of me now. I don't remember them being out in the middle like that. Well, they have expanded a little bit. Huh? Yeah, it's so smooth, except for the wind blowing. Yeah, I know. I wasn't used to these. These aren't normally this far out. Well, at least I don't remember them. They're all the way across now. It's shallow right here too. Right here?
Oh yeah, no, I wouldn't want to put my feet in here. We got a 10 block of gator head.
Yeah.
Or a turtle. Big old loggerhead snapper.
See over here?
Oh yeah. We might have one of those for selling bonfire. I got the coffin lot.
Yeah, my uncle had one of those pop-up campers. I never really wanted one of those. I guess, to me, it was just like being in a tent. I just didn't see the point of it. But they had one, they liked it all right, I guess. They got them a solar light out there too on a pole. Yep. Boy, that's, look how huge that dang cypress tree is there. Two of them together.
Oh, geez.
That is one big tree.
Yeah, it's just a cover. It used to be red, somebody painted it black. Yep. I see footprints right here.
In the water or on the ground?
On the bank. Right there.
Oh yeah.
Look like human footprints. That looks like they went around this tree. I think they stuck that stick in the ground right there.
They have. Ollie has given up. He is tired. He's had enough of the boat, of the kayak. Ain't you, Ollie?
No, my back's feeling good.
I don't know if that's the two or not. There was two that were joined together. We may have already passed them. Is that two? Yeah. I wonder how old them trees are. I have to look that up on Google and see how old a cypress tree gets.
Woodpecker nest in there. See all the holes?
Oh, I see them, yeah.
They all
Bunch of holes.
I call rattlers about 6 foot long, so. Oh, no. Go away.
What you got, a spider in the boat?
God.
Went over to the Choctawhatchee over there off of in that water management, that land that's over there on what is it? The 179A, I can't remember. It's the one that's right next to the river. Man, I walked out there on the bank out there. There was a low spot that kind of went into the woods. Oh my goodness, there was so much trash. I mean, it was everywhere. You could have spent the day and not been even halfway done, or even a quarter of the way. There was so much trash. And I don't know how far it went, but it was a lot.
That's what this one fella does. He's
Fix it.
a non-profit like organization that goes like through Louisiana and stuff.
Cleans up the trash and
Cleans up
stuff.
trash off the river.
Yeah.
They'll come out there in like these pretty decent sized John boats, and then they won't even get a quarter way through the trash. And
They'll
they'll
dump
turn
it.
around and come back.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Yep.
There's our maroon boat.
Yeah. Here, I'm gonna get ahead of you, Keith.
You can go ahead. Don't fall, buddy. Ollie, you come back here before you fall off.
There's a bunch of bubbles right here. Yeah, I am a little doggy too.
Oh yeah.
So he was the one with the target out there.
Yeah, we should wait till we get by. Y'all too, catch them all. Oh, I see it. Yeah, it is a barrel. It might be somebody's makeshift pontoon. Might have been an old one. It's definitely seen better days. It's completely rusted out. You think that looks nice, Ollie? So pretty. What's that? Oh yeah. Yeah, you could. You can near about walk all the way across. It'd be a bridge again. I wonder if you can see the road on satellite view. You know, you can see if you go and look on satellite view, and I've looked at it on in Esto and that area up there, Noma. You can see where the railroad tracks used to be. You can follow along. There ain't no railroad tracks there, but you can see where it was with the satellite view, just because of the way the trees are different in that spot. They're not as many trees, or they're younger. Yeah, yeah, pretty neat. Well, me and Ollie hope y'all have enjoyed this trip up Wright's Creek, and we really enjoyed it. It was a beautiful day, and we hope you come back for more. Thanks for watching. We are back, Ollie. Time to get out.